Hello, Grace Keenan. Please unmute yourself and turn on your camera.
Morning.
Good morning. Calling the matter of the City of East Lansing versus Grace Marie Keenan, case number 2405350D. We're here today for an order to show cause in which it is alleged that Ms. Keenan did not comply with her judgment of sentence. Ms. Keenan, you're appearing here remotely today via Zoom. Are you able to hear and see me?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So, Ms. Keenan, back in December of 2024, specifically December 11th, I sentenced you and executed a judgment of sentence, not placing you on probation and not placing you in jail. Instead, I sentenced you to fines and costs in order that you needed to complete 24 hours of community service within 90 days and verify such to the court. As is typically discussed, I explained to you that I was doing this because you appeared to me and had stated to me that you did not need probation. The presumption against probation had not been rebutted, and that you did not need assistance and help of a probation officer to get the hours of community service completed and verified to the court. That has not happened. So what you need to know today is at this point, under the law, I can sentence you to jail or probation if I'm not satisfied that you have complied with my judgment.
Okay.
So what would you like me to know?
Okay. On December 19th, I had a full ACL repair with Dr. Jill Day at MSU Sports Medicine. So then,
Ms. Keenan, if this is what we're going to do, like lengthy excuses, I'm going to order you to come in person.
No, I mean, I was taken off of work because I had a knee surgery. So I didn't even work unpaid for 6
Okay. And did you alert the court?
Yeah, and I tried to call too, and they said I had to wait until like basically that I was not compliant to even be heard or seen, because I called also in February again to ask them, like, is there things I can do that aren't like walking around picking up? And they're like, usually you just have to wait, and then I would get something in the mail, and then I could talk to you about my surgery.
So this tells me that you were not able on your own initiative to complete the terms of your probation, that you needed someone in the court to hold your hand and walk you through what are your options. So if that's the case, you need to be placed on probation. So I'm ordering Ms. Horn.
Can I still talk, please?
Do you have your 24 hours of community service verified and completed?
I have 22 hours on paper with Ronald McDonald House. I just couldn't walk for 6 weeks during those 90 days. And I did try to reach out to let them know, like, hey, I'm worried because I couldn't walk longer than I expected. Like, I didn't think it would take me that long to be able to walk again. And I have been volunteering twice weekly ever since I could walk at Ronald McDonald House every time. And I was there yesterday. And I thought after yesterday it would be done, but I'm 2 hours short.
Okay, so again, we'll set this for an in-person court hearing, and you can bring that verification to the court. And if it's verified, the court will consider that. And if it's not, as I said, the options are placing you on probation or jail.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we'll be back together on May 7th, Ms. Keenan, at 10 a.m. And that'll be an in-person court hearing where you will be here at the 54B District Court. Ms. Keenan, the address the court has for you is in Hazlet, Michigan on Babbitt Street.
Yes.
Is that correct? Okay, that's where your notice to appear will be sent. So I'll see you on that date and time. And I think you understand the importance of providing verification of those hours.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. That's all for this record.